Good morning everyone and welcome to this new video on how to call a C++ function using Python. You will see, it is way more easier than it looks. If you already know how to expose a C++ function in Blueprint, you've already done 90% of the work. But we will still start from the beginning. I will create a simple C++ class using the Blueprint function library as a parent. Then I will name it functions with a Z as a prefix to be able to find it later. Now that it is done and Visual Studio is open, we can now create the function in the header file. It will be a public static void, and I will name it called from Python with an f string as input. Then, if we want to expose it in Python, we need to add the ufunction macro above it and say that the function is blueprint callable. The compiling process will be in charge of creating a Python version of this function. Then, in the CPP file, I will simply define the function. A simple UI log should be enough for now. The category is log temp, the type is error, the text modulo s, and then the string passed as input. Now it's time to compile. Once it's done, we can go inside the output log and import Unreal. Then, if I loop through and print all the functions and classes of the Unreal module, I can find my new class. So I will do the same thing and print every function inside our class. I can see that our function is printed out. Sure, it's written a little differently, but it's still the same function. Finally, if we call it using the command unreal.zfunctions.called-from-python and passing it a simple string, we can see the red log that we did in C++. Voila, that's it for this video. I'm going back to work and I'll see you in the next one.